I'm looking at the why and the what of video abstracts. So now I'm going to talk a little bit about the what. So in your video abstract, just briefly introduce yourself, introduce your presentation topic and its relevance to your area, your special area. You can describe what you will do or show your audience during your presentation or workshop, and just explain what the attendees will gain or take away. So it's really that simple. If you cover these 4 points, you're golden. Lisa touched as well a bit on using prompts or a script. I have named one style as PPT style, and this is when I record using maybe PPT slides. And in that style, it might be more useful to use a script, like a word-for-word script. But what we'd really like to see is your face, of course. We'd like to see you. So I call this selfie style, and it can be easier for some people to just use a list of pointers of what they want to talk about and just let it flow more naturally. But as Lisa said, it's really a good idea to have a dry run, like a practice video.